done gave the chance too many years, years that I won't get back. And I swear I done shed too many tears for niggas that I won't get back. Yeah, I got niggas in the graveyard, niggas in the state yards. I swear not a day goes by that I don't think about the times. I wish that I could rewind.
Hey guys, it's your girl Leah Janae, and today I did my first tutorial. It was an eyebrow tutorial. So if you like to see how I did that, continue watching. Y'all, no judgment. I had my daughter with me and she was acting a fool, so mommy had to get her in check. But nonetheless, and these glasses are really doing me dirty right now because I'm using natural lighting and you guys can probably see like my neighborhood in the reflection. But anyway, yeah, they're cute though, so. But yeah, anyway, just keep watching. Okay, so here I'm just using this eyebrow stuff I got off of Amazon. It was really cheap, so I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with that. And yeah, here I begin. And I kind of messed up right there because look, my daughter was just tripping. You guys know, like, mommy's out there. You already know how it is. Like, a little popping is not all that bad, so bear with us. I had to snatch these eyebrows. But yeah, here I am just filling them in. My eyebrow tutorial is fairly easy. I do the same thing every single day, and I mean, I know some people out there probably do it different, but I just do what works for me, and I think they look good, so, you know. I look kind of irritated. Look at her. Like, she is really bugging right now. I love her to death, though. Like, I was just having a moment. No, I wasn't even just having a moment. She was having a moment. So we just look at her like, yeah. Take a deep breath, girl. It's never that serious. But yeah, here I am just doing the other eyebrow, filling it in with that same gel. I can't even remember what it's called, but I'll leave the link down below. I know I got it off of Amazon. It was a set of two, a brown one and a black one, and I used the black one for my eyeliner. I used the brown one for my eyebrows. And so far, it's been working really well, so no complaints here. And I usually just go back in with concealer to, like, fix everything up. So if it looks a little sloppy, just know your girl gonna get that right. So now I'm going in with my spoolie just to, you know, blend things out and not make the lines look so harsh. And now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. This concealer was so cheap, and I got it a couple years ago. As you can see, I hit pan so long ago. But yeah, it was like $3, and it works. I mean, I've had some better concealer, but, you know, I was just using what I had at the moment. Planning on going out to get some more. Probably MAC. I like MAC's concealer. I ran out of all of that, sadly. And y'all, I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm sitting on the floor in front of a window doing my makeup because the lighting is so bomb. And I don't have a vanity just yet. But once I get my vanity, your girl gonna be lit because I'm gonna be doing it right there. So yeah, right now I'm just going underneath the eyebrow with the concealer, just cleaning it up a bit. And the brush that I'm using is a brush that I also got off of Amazon. I bought them the same time that I bought this eyebrow stuff too. They were really cheap, but I love these brushes. They were mainly eye brushes. They didn't have really any face brushes included, just like one. And I guess it was like a foundation brush. This is just the brush that I use to blend out my concealer. It needs to be washed really bad, but until then, we just gonna make it work. So yeah, I'm just using this to blend it all in, make it look seamless and flawless. You already know. And I guess I heard my mom coming. But yeah, here I am again blending the other one. We just about done, you guys. This is always the last part. And if I was doing a full face, I would probably go in with my Fix Plus. But because my face was already beat, minimal beat, you know, just a cute little simple slay. We're done, like, because I had already sprayed my face with that Fix Plus. So here I am just posing for the camera. You already know. Thinking I look good or whatever. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment down below, and I'll do more videos like this soon. Just let me know what you want to see in the comments, and I got you guys. All right, bye.